beginning of a mass extinction, and all you can talk about is money. You have stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words. How dare you? For more than 30 years, the science has been crystal clear. How dare you continue to look away and come here saying that you're doing enough when the politics and solutions needed are still nowhere in sight. In sight. You say you hear us and that you understand the urgency. I say we will never forgive you. We will never forgive you. Never. 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 Right here, right now is where we draw the line. Right here, right now is where we draw the line. Right here, right now is where we draw the line. Right here, right now is where we draw the line. But no matter how sad and angry I am, I'm one of the lucky ones. One of the lucky ones. People are suffering. Ecosystems are collapsing. Collapsing. People are dying. How dare you? 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 We will never, never forgive you. The world is waking up. And change is coming whether you like it or not. We'll be watching you. Thank you.